Hello, welcome to V Analytics. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Today I am going to discuss a new requirement, real-time requirement which I have recently worked on. Okay, coming to requirement. Yep. If a user select any day of the week from Saturday to Sunday, then report should filter data from previous week Friday to selected week Friday. If you see here, example, if a user selected on December 6th 2022 from the drop down, then the report should filter data from 2nd of December to 9th of December. If you see this calendar, okay, so we'll go to the steps what we need to do. Let me go back report. We already built it. Let me understand the report. Yeah, see, if a user select any day from the week from Saturday to Sunday, then it goes to the previous week Friday to selected week Friday. Let's say I will select today 12th, right? See, if I select 12th, what happened? It will fetch from 9th to 16th. See here my dates. See here my dates. Yeah, this is the requirement. We need to do it. Let me go back. So how to develop this report? So for this, what we need to do, what are the columns are required? We can take any columns. Here I took a columns, order date as a discrete, customer name, product name and sales, drag and drop rows and columns. Okay, let me go and do it quickly. Yep. So I want order date. Yeah, here it is, order date as a discrete. Next, customer name. Next, product name. I want sales, right, as a measure. Drag sales into text. Label it sales. Okay, hide the. Okay, we have built the report. Now let me go back here. So we have done this step. Create a custom date parameter and show as a parameter selected as type in. Okay, create one parameter, custom date. I already created. Okay, let me show you edit what I did it here. See here it is a custom date, name it is, and data type is date. Current value will take default. I select as a range, so minimum date, maximum date, these are all default. Okay, so only thing is you need to remember here type as date. Save OK. Then drag and drop, this is type, right? Show as parameter. When you show as a parameter, it show like this. Okay, by default it is a slider mode. I want type in mode. Okay, see. Okay, and next step, move on. Next step, calculate to start date and end date. Here is a complex. We need to think about it, the logic. So for this calculation, what I wrote for start date, data field name is start date. I wrote case statement. Okay, case data name. This is the function data name. Weekday parameter. Custom date is a parameter, right? When Monday, then add day, date add, day -3 custom date. Tuesday, add date day minus 4, custom date. Means this custom date means parameter, whatever you select, that will pass here. From this, it will minus or plus whatever it is, it will do based on this calculation. Okay, so this is start date. For end date also I wrote the same kind of logic, but the logic would be same. The numbers will be a change here, the additions. See here, case end date, weekday, custom date. Okay, when it is Monday, then 4. Day add date of 4 means we can calculate from Monday to how it would be. See, if you go for Monday, the calculation we need to make how many days we need to go back, how many days we need to go forward or backward. We need to think the logical. Okay, these two calculation I made already here. Let me end date and see start date. See start date and end date calculation. See. Okay, see for example here, this is okay. Here we'll get this date name weekday custom date means whatever you select a date. From this date, weekday means we have Monday to Sunday, right? Monday. Okay, so we need to capture that. We capture here. So I'm writing case statement here. Case when Monday, then how many days we need to go. See Monday, right? It is Monday. From how many days we need to go back from Friday? Means see here 1, 2, 3. See add day minus 3, custom date. Similarly, if I select 13th, how many days I need to go back for start date? 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise. So similarly for end date also I made the same kind of logic. So you need to think. Once we wrote these two logics, based on this logic, we need to write a filter. Next one, see, end date also I wrote. Step 4, create a filter with the below logic. What is the logic here? Start is greater than equal to, order date is greater than equal to start date and order date less than equal to end date. So I wrote this filter here, Friday to Friday, name it as this one. See logic, order date greater than equal to start date, whatever I wrote a calculation, right? And order date less than equal to end date. So I named as Friday to Friday filter. Save OK. Then drag and drop this filter here. When you drag and drop the filter, it's asked true or false, right? You need to choose true, apply, OK. Okay, now you could see. So let me select a 6th. What happened? 2 to 9. Maybe we don't have data for 9th and wherever we miss, right? Whatever we miss the dates. If you select, okay, for example, if I select 9th, what happened? 9th also we will get from 2 to 9 only. We don't have data for 9. Let me select, if I select 13th, see, it's getting filtered between that range only. Between that range means, I'm saying, right, this week, right, means 9 to 16. Between that range only we'll get the data. Okay, see, I did some massage here, dates, everything. If you want, you can do it. Okay, otherwise you can leave it. See, if I select any date, say I'm getting dates here. See, let's say if I select 28th, what happened? You could see from 25th to 25th, 28th, right? We need to select something. Okay, hope it's going like, so hope you understood, right? Thank you.